Hi friends, welcome. So this video is going to be a shopping video in AJIO app from Reliance Trends. In this video, I'm going to tell how to buy rupees 120 or rupees 128 kurtis from AJIO.com and when all the kurtis and sizes will be available in stock and what is the exact time to buy kurtis because the kurtis are very limited in stock for a particular time because of this offer. Let's see the full video, how to do it. If you don't have AJIO app in your phone, please download the AJIO app from the link given in the description box using that referral code because you will get 100 rupees in your wallet and you can use it for your shopping. So click the AJIO app and go to the home page of AJIO app. Scroll down to find 500 rupees offer. Click that 500 rupees offer and select category women, and from women select kurta and kurtis. So now sort from price low to high. So this is how you get all the kurtis from the lowest price. So we are going to use the coupon code summer 2021, that is 500 rupees off rupees 1250. So basically we have to purchase for 1250 and above to get this 500 off using the coupon code summer 2021. So if you want your kurtis to be 120 or 128 rupees, then only you can purchase from the first class brand. The first class brand is the only kurtis which you can get for rupees 120 or rupees 128. So now I'm going to select all the kurtis I needed. And one more thing is, I will tell you the timings when all the kurtis and sizes will be available. That is exactly from midnight 2:30 a.m. That is early morning 2:30 a.m. Indian time. So you can calculate accordingly if you are in other countries. You can purchase this first class brand kurtis only from 2:30 a.m. Early morning 2:30 a.m. to a morning 6 or 6:30 because after that all the kurtas will be out of stock. So as the time goes on, you will not find sizes. So if you want your exact size, you must purchase the kurtis from 2:30 a.m. So if you can't shop 2:30 a.m., then you can try around 5:30 or 6 a.m. morning. So every day from 2:30 a.m. to 6:30 or 7 a.m. you will find first class brand kurtis and this offer can be applied. So I have added around 7 kurtis because it should exceed 1250. Then only we can apply a summer 2021 coupon. So I have selected 7 kurtis and I'm going to apply the offer summer 2021 and the prices will be discounted to 128 rupees. So this offer will be applied to the total amount of 1250 or more. So now we have purchased for 1400, which is little more than 1250. So if you want to buy exactly for 1250, then you can select 5 kurtis from first class brand and 1 kurti from either Fusion or Avasa brand for rupees 250. Then we will end up in exactly 1250 rupees and we will get more discount when compared to the previous one. So now I'm going to apply summer 2021 coupon code and you can see all the first class brand kurtis have discounted to rupees 120 and the Fusion brand kurti is discounted to rupees 150. So next our cart price will be reduced around 750 rupees. So we won't be getting a free shipping now. Only if we purchase about 1000 rupees, we will get free shipping. So we are going to do a simple hack for free shipping. We are going to add a product which is not in the summer 2021 offer. So now I'm going to add a Biba kurti which is not in the offer worth of rupees 350. So now my total is about 1000 and I will be getting a free shipping now. So please double check whether your shipping is free and place your order. So once you place the order and the order is confirmed, go to the orders page in your account from AJIO app, and you can find all the kurtis you have ordered and select the cancel button next to the Biba kurti or next to the product which you have ordered not an offer, so that the product will be cancelled and you won't be charged for that product. So if you choose cash on delivery, you don't need to give a cash because they are not going to deliver it. So if you paid through a card or net banking, they will refund the amount back in 5 to 6 days. So this is how we are going to buy a least affordable kurtis from AJIO.com. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.